Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, the Great Tay Tay. If it's your first time here, welcome. So y'all, for today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how I get ready for my actual video, doing my makeup, and also I'll be showing y'all how to slay this quick and easy hairstyle. So you guys, let me just put a disclaimer out there, okay? I am not a makeup artist. Like, I'm not a makeup guru in no shape or form, okay? But just a try a thing, and you know what I mean? So don't judge me. Don't judge my makeup. Like, this is how I do it. I am still learning. So let me just put that out there, okay? Like, I was getting ready for, for shooting my video, and I'm like, why not just film while getting ready, doing my makeup. So that's the reason why the makeup portion is a part of today's video. If you are not interested in seeing that, feel free to just like fast forward to where I start doing my hair. But come on, just watch the entire video. It's not that long, okay? So what am I using on my face? So I started off with my Smashbox primer, and I use my Sephora Concealer for my eyebrows underneath, kind of like to get my eyebrows to pop. And for the top of my brows, I am using my foundation. I always put foundation at the top and concealer at the bottom. I don't know why I do that. It just seems to work for me, okay? So that's what I'm doing, kind of like to get my brows, to pop and in shape and whatever. So now I am applying my foundation, you guys, and the foundation that I am using, it's my Makiage Foundation. I have a video on my channel where I actually reviewed this foundation. Before using this foundation, I used to use MAC, and I just found that this foundation works better for me, and I am just now so in love with this foundation. So this is what I am using right now, you guys. So now I'm gonna start with my eyeshadow, okay? Now, as I said before, I am not like a makeup guru or anything like that. I'm just kind of like testing things out. I am a work in progress, okay? Let's just put it that way. So I'm using brown at the top. I'm not sure of the color that I was going for. I'm just kind of winging it and just see where it goes. So I start off with the brown base, and then at the ends I'm kind of like doing a fiery orange, and at the tips right there at the top of my lid, I should say, I applied gold. So at the ends there, I'm like, I don't know why I put black there, but I don't know. I'm just blending it out and playing around with it just to see the outcome of this, okay? I wanted it to be a little bit dark at the ends, and I put black and it was too dark. So now I am just playing around with it and kind of blending things out. So now I am going to apply my concealer. I'm gonna be contouring my face, so I'm using the Sephora Concealer. And just so you guys know, all the products that I'm using for this look, I will be leaving everything in the description bar below, so you will have a full idea of every product that I've used for this video, you guys. And also, y'all, if you enjoy videos like these, feel free to subscribe to my channel. Like, it is absolutely free, okay? It's absolutely free. Hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell as well, so you can be notified whenever I upload any new content. And also, you guys, leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think of this video, and also let me know what other content y'all want to see. Talk to me, you guys. Let me know what I can do better to work on my makeup skills. Like, don't come for me, okay? I know I'm not the best. I am learning, okay? I'm learning. So now I am using my setting powder. I can't remember off the top of my head the brand of the setting powder, but as I mentioned before, I will be leaving all the things that I use in this video. I'll be leaving it in the description bar below. I am using my LA Girl contour kit, so I'm contouring my nose and the sides of my face and my cheeks. So that is what I am doing right there, you guys. And also, y'all, don't forget to check out my other videos, okay? Check out my other videos. I have tons of other beauty videos and hair videos and whatever. Like, just go check them out, okay, guys? And I am using I'm lining my lip, and I'm like, wait, I forgot to finish my eye makeup. So I went back to the eyes. I'm adding a little gold on my under eye. I'm just adding a little gold, the same gold that I put at the top. That's what I added at the bottom, and then I'm gonna line my eyes with black eyeliner. I'm not sure if y'all noticed, I did put my wing at the top of my lids. I did that off camera. Don't judge my wing, okay? They're probably flying away from my eyes because they're not properly done, but guess what? Hey, it's gonna work today, okay? It's gonna work today. I added a little mascara, and now I'm getting back to the lips with some lipstick, you guys. That's not really the color that I wanted, but it's gonna work today, okay? It is gonna work today. And another thing, y'all, I did install my lashes off camera because y'all, if you know about lashes, sometimes you can, when you're installing them, like, it is so easy to install, and another time it's so complicated. So I did do my lashes off camera, okay? So now we're gonna get to the hair, and this is what I am good at. I'm good at doing hair, okay? I'm not no makeup guru. I am good at doing hair. So this is the look that we're working with today. We're going with a very simple and chic look, and we're working with natural 4C hair, okay? We are working with our natural hair. I just washed my hair. The shrinkage is real. I didn't stretch my hair or anything, but y'all, you know what? It's gonna work today, okay? So this little section at the back, I am gonna be putting it in a ponytail. I am using my Echo Styling Gel to get my hair to be very sleek, you know, in a nice, neat updo. And then that little section at the front there, I am going to be doing a flat twist situation there at the front, okay? Normally I use my Dash 27 edge control, but today I decided to use another edge control that I got from my beauty supply store, because my Dash 27 edge control, it is now sold out, and I will be getting some more in stock very soon, you guys. So stay tuned for that, okay? So this part at the front, I will be doing a flat twist. It's very easy to do, y'all. It's very easy to do. You can also you can braid the part at the front as well. You don't have to do a flat twist, but I just decided to do a flat twist, okay? And then I'm gonna use my bobby pin to pin it up, and then after that, you guys, I am going to install my drawstring ponytail, okay? It's a kinky ponytail. It matches perfectly with my 4C hair. I got it from my local beauty supply store, you guys. I don't really remember the brand of it, but if I do, I'll leave it in the description bar below, okay? And I did add some accessories to my hair. I got these from my local beauty supply store as well, you guys. So this is a finished look. I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if this is something that you guys will definitely be trying out on your hair. So that's it for now, you guys. Stay blessed, keep motivated. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.